And I may need to spend the rest of my life seeking for love. Last year, I was at a small bar. That's the first time I saw her. I didn't go inside. Instead, I stood outside and watched her for about 5 minutes. Of course, she didn't know this. I can still recall my thoughts at that moment. I have to meet her. I have to go inside, buy her a drink and get her number tonight. I know exactly what I was thinking. I knew she's the one. But I have no idea how to approach her or what to say to impress her. She's so pretty. I was scared to make any mistakes. Trust me, I was really afraid of screwing it all up.
I got it. So today, you did it.
Yeah, I hope so. And I think I will make it.
What? Is he saying that he hasn't made it yet?
Lin, you really disappointed us. You were the most outstanding star player, and you haven't won your love. Unbelievable.
It's heartbreaking to know that.
你快说出真相算了，人家明显是不会放过你的。要再这样下去，估计全场都得疯。
To be honest, tonight's rating is all relying on you.
Yes, you left us cruelly that time. Now you must give us something for everyone here.
Well, what can I even say? She's so perfect. And I may need to spend the rest of my life seeking for love. So, I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry at all.